Enjoy fresh-smelling laundry whilst caring for the environment, thanks to the A++ energy rating of this washing machine from Hoover. KG detector uses a sensor to weigh every load during the early stages of the cycle, adjusting the time, water and electricity use per cycle. This ensures that you get tailored washing and drying results whilst keeping energy bills to a minimum. Quick Wash lets you choose from 14, 30, 44 and 59-minute wash options, giving you more flexibility to run washes that suit you, ideal when you need something cleaned in a hurry. The Active Eco 20-degree wash program runs at a low temperature, allowing different fabrics and colours to mix, delivering an outstanding cleaning performance with 40% lower consumption. Perfect for those who lead a busy lifestyle. You can mix whites and colours together to save time. With its generous 8-kilogram capacity, this Hoover washing machine has plenty of space to accommodate a family load of washing.